Hello everyone, today, I will guide you on how to use a feature of the MKT Care software, which is the post seeding feature. Seeding helps our Facebook posts increase reach to potential customers, creating credibility for the posts and the products we are selling. First, we click on the viral marketing section and select the seeding post feature. In the post ID input field, we just need to copy the link of the post we want to seed, then we can extract the ID using the MKT UID software or search for the keyword Get UID, then paste the post link to get the UID. After entering the ID, we select a reaction and input content to comment on the post. We can input diverse content as we wish, then save it. Finally, we select the account, click Load, and then click Start. The software will automatically access the post we want to increase engagement for and seed it for you. Enjoy watching the video, and see you in the next videos.